Wow, that was amazing. Wow, how do you do that?
Well, that was exactly my reaction when I got to know that in one click, Albus can respond to almost 80 to 90% of questions around security. And the best part is, it works right inside the Google Sheet. Sounds interesting? Let me show you how it is done. Alright, so this is Google Sheet, and what we did is added the custom script essentially to call the Albus API, and once it is deployed, all we need to do is select the questions that you need answers for. So let's set this one, go to API action, click on Albus it, and you are done. The script will start running and Albus will take around 30 seconds to 1 minute to answer all the questions that you have selected.
12 seconds later.
And boom! In one click, Albus will analyze all your security related documents and will provide you with exact answer. Now you do not have to worry about referring multiple documents or asking multiple people to find specific answer. All you need to do is review the answer provided by Albus, make necessary tweaks here and there, and you are good to go. Answering security question can get as simple as it can.